Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bruce Villarreal, speaker, businessman, and transformer of lives. I'm so excited to connect with you with one new episode with this new week with a great message that we have prepared with love and a lot of attention to help carry us on one more day, one more week, and one more month until you achieve your next goal, your next level. And today's topic is no less important than all the other ones that you'll be hearing previously and in the future. Today's topic and title is Try and Try Again, 10 Steps to Success. And if you can read here to my left is keep calm and try again. Yeah, we're going to keep calm and try again. And also I like this quote this here on my other side that says, only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. So of course, all of us are on a quest of reaching different types of goals, whether it be personal, financial, business, love, relationship, with your family, whatever it is. You're always going to be hit with those roadblocks. You're going to hit with those obstacles. They're going to want to stop you and discourage you. And even your own personal thoughts and mindset can discourage you and make you want to stop. How many of us have stopped multiple times in our lives that if we would have just been consistent and stuck it out, we would have had a whole different result? Some of those are very painful. So we want to use that pain to encourage you and give you the fuel to keep on going and moving forward. Well, before we proceed, we want to welcome you to your home, my home, Bruce Talks Podcast and Bruce Talks Podcast in Espanol. If you haven't done so, please help to subscribe to our channel. We want to welcome you to our home. Also, please like, comment, and share with your loved ones and business associates this encouraging message that we have prepared with love and respect for all of you. But let's get to it. Our topic and title is Try and Try Again. And again, as I mentioned in the beginning, how many of us have been on our quest to achieve a certain goal and we possibly have given up in the past? And if you're sick and tired of that, I want to give you step number one, which is step number one is try. You got to try. If you're attempting a new goal or a new angle at achieving that goal you've been after for several years or you've had in your mind, number one to your step to success is you got to try. You got to try. You got to give it a shot. Many people don't succeed just because they never even started. They never even took the first step. So you want to make sure that today, on this moment, in the next hour, or as soon as you're done with this video and audio, I want to ask you, what step do you have to take to try, to move forward? So step number one is to try. Step number two towards your 10 steps to success is if you tried and you failed, if you tried and it didn't happen, step number two is try again. You got to do it again. You got to repeat. I'm sure you've seen it on social media. You've seen it with motivational speakers. You've seen it with several people who've mentioned try again. But sometimes we go into an indifference mode. We say, well, why should I try one more time if I failed the first time? Well, guess what? Life is about failures, but those failures are your steps to success. Those are your steps to build the courage, to build the fire for you to go to the next level. So we said step number one was to try, make it happen the next hour, do something about it today. Step number two, if you already did that, try again, make it happen, do it one more time. Step number three on your 10 steps to success is try once more. You tried again, and your step number three is try once more. Do it one more time. You got to do it one more time, until guess what? It happens. But sometimes we're trying a method that doesn't work. So wow, light bulb. Maybe you have to see it on a different perspective. And this is where step number four in your 10 steps to success in trying and trying again is step number four is try a little differently. Try a little differently. Try something different. Try a different method. Get creative. Why don't you write down, hey, what can I do? What can I do different? How can it, get better? So sometimes we have to stop and think and meditate on what we can do to try it differently. Okay, well, guess what? Maybe that didn't work. Again, don't stop. Don't get discouraged. Again, that's the easy way. That's the easy way out. That's the easy way that cowards and people who give up take. And guess what? I've been there. I've done that. And it's very painful. But that pain today is the pain that fuels me to move forward. So step number 5 on your 10 steps to success on trying and trying again is try it again tomorrow. If it didn't work today, if you tried again, if you tried once more, you tried a little bit different, well, sometimes take a little break, take a breather, okay, shake it off, and guess what? Let's go at it again tomorrow and try again tomorrow. Why? Just do it one more day. Time's gonna pass by. I remember one of my mentors, Jim Rohn, would say, if you improve 1% daily, you would have improved 365% in a year. And guess what? Since we give up, we don't improve 1%. We improve sometimes 5%. Sometimes you don't improve at all because you just get discouraged and give up. But if you're tired of that, tired of being called out a loser, that you're not going to make it, you're a quitter, you've given up, you failed before. Well, I want to build that fire inside of you with me so they can move on to the next step. So on step number 6 on 10 steps to success, remember the following. We don't know it all. Step number 6 is try and ask for help. Guess what? I've had to learn to ask for help. I've had to learn to ask for help. Sometimes people are too prideful, or we don't even think or have stopped to think because we get caught up in the failure. We get caught up in the moment and we forget to ask for help. Guess what? The successful people are knowledgeable enough to know that they don't know it all. I don't know it all. You don't know it all. So guess what? Ask for help. Ask for a helping hand. Ask for a helping idea. Ask for some encouragement. And this is what this video is here for you today. Give you some help, give you that push, and give you that encouragement. So that's step number 6, try and ask for help. So step number 7 on your 10 steps to success in trying and trying again is try to find someone who's already done it. That makes a lot of sense. If somebody's already achieved what you want, there's videos on any topic that we want. There are lots of people who've succeeded in different areas of our life, business, personal, whatever area that you want to conquer and achieve. And all we have to do is ask, someone else who has done it, or find out, study him, study her. There's books, there's audiobooks, there's videos, there's podcasts like this. There's seminars or events that you can go to and learn from these people. So that's step number 7 is try to find someone who's already done it. Step number 8 on your 10 steps to success and trying again is try to fix what's not working. Sometimes some of the steps we're taking are not working, and it's okay. Again, it's a trial. It's a trial and error, and it's okay to try, fail till you succeed. Try, fail, modify till you succeed. We've heard the story of Thomas Edison. He had 1,001 failures until he finally hit the perfect light bulb. So again, how many times have you tried? I like that Andrew Tate said that you don't get what you want because you didn't try hard enough and you didn't stick it out. So how about if we stick it out? So number 8, we said try to fix what is not working and find out what needs to be corrected. And then again, you get the perfect formula or the magical formula that works for you or that works for that specific goal that you want to achieve. Step number 9 to your 10 steps to success. We're almost done with this topic. And with trying and trying again, with try and try again, is try to expand what is working. In other words, make it work bigger, put more effort into what's already working so you can get there a little faster, get a little bit edge, and so expand on what's already working for you. And so try it again and try to expand what's already working for you. That's step number 9. Try to expand what is already working for you. Why go back to what's not working? What's already working for you, make it happen and expand. And again, that's going to take you to the next level. And let's say that you hit another road bump. Step number 10, final step to the try and try again, 10 steps to success is just keep trying until you succeed. If you and I keep trying on whatever it is that we have set our mind to, Napoleon Hill says that whatever the mind can achieve or believe, you will achieve. And guess what? It's just a matter of trying and trying until you make it happen. One of the struggles that I've been working on is getting back to my original weight. And yes, it can be a rocky road, but you're trying to find the formula that works for you, but just keep doing it and keep doing it until you succeed, until you start getting some results. That result builds your motivation, builds your momentum, and then you become unstoppable. So ladies and gentlemen, with a lot of love and respect, you have your coach here, your friend Bruce Villarreal, speaker, businessman, and transformer of lives. This is my business. This is my life, and I want to help you. Please reach out so I can take you to the next level. Connect with us, share, like, and subscribe, and be connected to our next videos that I'm sure is going to impact you. And together, like I always say, we will get to the next level.